So today I'm going to be figuring out what resistance value certain incandescent light bulbs have. This is a Sylvania 60 watt 130 volt bulb. Okay, so I'm going to do voltage squared or divide by watt. So divided by 60. Well, okay, so here it is. $75 watt Sylvania 120 volt bulb times 120 times 120 divided by 75. 192 ohm. Now, this calculator is so awesome, I want to show how it works. Okay. So I'm actually gonna pop the lid on it so you can fully see the mechanism in there. There's a motor down there. There's the ink roller. It uses an IR30. IR30 ink roller. And the paper, it actually has space for an internal roll right there. But I like using it with the external big rolls. Got these from my grandparents when they moved. A LCD display, Canon palm printer, P1DHV, it's a 12-digit. Okay, so let's do every digit it has. Number. There. Let's do that again.